Hello everyone. Today on Shark and Cook we are making a jalapeno sausage quiche. So let's get started. You want to preheat your oven to 375. Then in a medium skillet add your half a pound of pork sausage to a skillet on medium heat. And you want to brown that up till it's no longer pink. Okay, it's just about there. Just want to break up some of those large pieces. Now remove it from the heat and drain it. You're going to need 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. Set that aside. And now we're going to chop 3 scallions. I'm going to add them right to my bowl of cheddar cheese. No need to have extra bowls. Just put it all in one. Now set that aside. To a large bowl, add 3 eggs at room temperature. One-quarter cup of half and half, also room temperature. And a quarter cup of mayonnaise. And a half a teaspoon of each of salt and pepper. Then you want to whisk them together. Make sure everything is incorporated. Okay. Now you're going to want to stir in the cup of cheddar cheese, green onions, and 1 can, 4 ounces of diced jalapeno peppers, drained. Now add your pork. And stir that together. Now you're going to get your pie shell out of the freezer. You're going to place your frozen pie shell on a baking sheet. I'm using Marie Callender's pie shells. It's a deep dish one. It's 9-inch. And you want a deep dish because you don't want the filling to overflow. So now let's put the filling in. Give it a stir. And this pie shell you don't have to pre-bake. At least that's what the instructions said for this. Spread it out. Get out all the extras in here. Want everything in there. Now pop it in your 375 oven that's been preheated for 35 to 40 minutes. And if it starts getting too brown along the crust, you can put foil around it. So let's put it in, and I'll see you in 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, mine was in exactly 35 minutes. And I didn't have to put any foil around the edges. It got nice and golden brown on the edges. And I inserted it with a knife to see if it came out clean. If it comes out clean, then that means it's done. So I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes before I cut it. See you in 10. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, and I'm going to slice it up. Let's give this a taste. It looks pretty good. Mm-hmm. Mm. That is really tasty. Really tasty. A nice meal to have for breakfast that the whole family will enjoy. Really good. Those jalapeños really add a good flavor. So I hope you give this a try. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.